Of course, this week we're watching the ECB, the Fed, the BOJ. Would you say that the ECB is the one that should be closely watched?
I mean, the Fed is always a key meeting, but I think markets have largely factored in that there'll be a rate hike tomorrow from the US. I mean, it'll be interesting to see what happens to the statement. Will they signal a more neutral policy stance? Will they change the economic forecasts? We expect that they will lower the unemployment forecasts for sure, potentially tweak higher the inflation forecasts. But what will the Fed say about future rate hikes? We're expecting another rate hike in September and in December this year, as well as March and June of next year. So the dot plot is going to be particularly closely watched. The ECB, we're not quite sure what to expect, really. We thought that they would play a sort of cautious hand, but some of the comments that we had from the Governing Council last week suggested that the ECB is perhaps ready to make a more public statement about what happens at the end of QE in September. Will they continue to expand bond purchases in the fourth quarter? We think that there will be QE carrying on until the end of this year, but at a lower pace. We may get a very clear signal about that on Thursday's meeting.